The unexpected promotion. Emma had always been an industrious employee at GreenTech Solutions, a company dedicated to sustainable technology. For 5 years, she worked diligently as a project coordinator, managing various teams and ensuring deadlines were met. Her colleagues admired her for her dedication and her ability to solve problems efficiently. One rainy Tuesday, Emma received an email inviting her to the office of Mr. Thompson, the CEO. Nervous but curious, she walked into the sleek, glass-walled office. Mr. Thompson greeted her with a warm smile and gestured for her to sit down. As she settled into the chair, she couldn't shake the feeling that something significant was about to happen. "Emma," he began, "your hard work has not gone unnoticed. I'm pleased to offer you a promotion to senior project manager." Emma's heart raced. This was the opportunity she had dreamed of, but it also came with responsibilities she hadn't expected. After a moment of disbelief, she managed to thank Mr. Thompson, her mind racing with the possibilities. However, self-doubt crept in. Would she be able to handle the new challenges? As she left the office, her colleagues congratulated her, igniting a spark of confidence within her. Over the next few weeks, Emma poured herself into her new role. She organized team meetings, mentored junior staff, and initiated innovative projects. With each success, her confidence grew. Emma realized that the promotion was not just a title. It was a chance to make a real impact on the company and the environment. In the end, Emma understood that hard work and a little courage could lead to unexpected and rewarding paths.